You're welcome to Jadela Fashion Guide. Today we are going to be sewing. This is the part 2 of the video. So I want to start by stitching here. This is the pocket piece. So we stitch here. Then we also sew here, 1/2 inch. Then we sew the beginning 1 inch into the pocket and out of the pocket again by 1 inch and continue to the end. So I'll be doing same for the other side. So this is the back pattern with the lining. So we're going to start by sewing the darts. Pick the dart like this and sew. So we sew all the darts on the main fabric and then on the lining. We're going to do same for the front pattern. We sew all the darts. This is the front pattern and the lining. So we are going to sew all the darts and then come back to do the next thing. So this is it after joining the side and sewing the pocket. So we're just going to run gathers here so that we can. Then this is the front pattern. After sewing the darts. This is the lining. So place it right side facing each other. So I'm going to sew the neckline. I'm going to sew the neckline 1/2 inch. Close the side and then the down part as well. I'm going to close this down part. So sew it such that the fabric will go in a little. So if you miss adjusting the lining, please do. So that's what we're going to do to the front, to the back pattern as well. This is the back pattern. Bring the right side, and then this is the lining. And place it right side facing each other. So you are going to sew the neckline, join the side, join this zipper line, and then this down part. And of course, we are going to reduce the lining by 1 inch so that we can have the down very well. So repeat for both and then come back to see what to do next. So this is what we have so far. This is the front pattern. I've torn it with lining. So just trim off any excess lining. And then this is the back piece. I also torn it with lining. So the next thing is to sew the zipper line. And then just place it over it like this. Remember the seam allowance, what is left. And remember that we took here in by 1/2 inch. So to be left with 1/2 inch here. We mark 1 inch here, 1/2 inch here, then 1 inch down. Just draw the line. This is the zipper we are going to be attaching. Okay, we fix the zip, then close up the remaining parts, and then we come back to join the shoulders. After the zip, we join the shoulders. To join the shoulder, just open it up like this, and so fabric to fabric, lining to lining, half-inch seam allowance, half-inch seam allowance. So after the shoulder and the zip, we'll come back to show you what to do next. So this is what we have after joining the shoulders. So I left with the side, the sleeve, and then this part. So I'll place it like this, and then I'll recut the armhole to trim off the excess. After that, we are going to close up the side. Just arrange it well. Then we take our bust measurements, the waist, we just shape it. We take half of the bust measurement, and then whatever is left, you share it into two. So let's say, for example, we have 36 and a half. We'll do same for the waist. So this is our waistline. Okay, so go ahead and join the side. And then we are going to join this part. This part. Then we have the gathers. So this is the side for the gathers. So I've already run a gather stitch on it, so you just pull it to fit in. you adjust it to fit into the space, and do same for this other side so that it can fit in. So we join both sides, after which the down part we just fold it. We fold it down to correspond with this side, to correspond with the down of this side. Okay. Then after that we attach our sleeve. I'll put a link in the description on how I achieve this sleeve. So attach our sleeve, and that will be all. This is Joydala Fashion Guide. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.